From Columbus, Ohio, this is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be covering the Discount Tire business fleet account on how to get approved, the data points and everything. I've had quite a few subscribers ask me to make a video about Discount Tire, so that's what I'm doing today in this video. Okay, so before I get into all the data points, if you could please hit the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber, and don't forget to turn the bell notification on. I'd really appreciate it. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it. So Discount Tire has a fleet program where they give you discounts, and this would come in handy, probably not for a lot of you guys, but for those that are in the car flipping business, renting out cars on Toro or other platforms, or you go through a lot of tires, Discount Tire may be a good vendor account for you. So anyways, like I said, it's their Discount Tire fleet application they have here, and they have over 1,000 stores across the US. So what you want to do is go to their site, hit the fleet button at the top, and then hit fleet inquiry, and it's going to come to this application inquiry. It's not really an application, it's just an inquiry about your business. So you're going to fill out this information, and preferred purchasing method, you want to select purchase order direct bill if you want to have a net account. So they don't offer net 30, they only offer net 15. Okay, so just keep that in mind. And I would tell you right now, they do not pull any business credit from what I can gather. And this sales rep I spoke to, his name is also Josh Morrell. Hope I'm pronouncing it right. I'll have all the information in the description below, as well as his email address. You can reach out to him directly. But as far as what he's telling me and everything, they do not really pull business credit. Their accounts receivable department, after you fill out the credit application, what they do is look at the Secretary of State business registration details. And as long as that's, what they want to see, then you should be able to get approved. Like I said, it's a net 15 account, so you have to pay it back pretty quick. So there's a few downsides to them, but like I said, this is for account for, if you can actually use, if you go through tires and actually, use a lot of tires, say per month or per year, this may be an option for you. So the main requirement is you've been in business at least 2 years. They're pretty strict on that. And their accounts receivable department made it very clear you have to be in business at least 2 years. So I just want to throw that out there. Other downside is they do not report to any of the business credit bureaus. However, if you have Credit Builder with Dun and Bradstreet or eCredible or the Experian Business annual reporting, then one of these may be able to get it reported for you. So like I said, don't go after this vendor account if you don't go through tires, because it's just really not worth it. But if you're in a business that goes through a lot of tires, then this may be an option for you. Okay, so yeah, that's basically all I wanted to cover in this video. I want to keep it short, simple, to the point. But like I said, they offer a fleet program. Don't even waste your time applying for it if you don't have use for going through multiple tires a month or per year. If you're only buying 4 tires a year, it's not really worth it. But if you're in the business where you're going through 20, 30, 40 tires a year, then this may be a good option for you because, like I said, they give you a discount, and you have net 15 days to pay it back. And there's a chance you could get it reported if you have Dun and Bradstreet's Credit Builder or the Experian Business Small Business Reporting. That's the $189 self-reporting annual reporting, or the eCredible. There's a possibility with all three of those. Okay, so that's all I want to cover in today's video. If you have any questions or comments, just please put it in the comment section below. Be sure to check out the description as well. I'll have all the details if you want to reach out to my sales rep, Josh. Okay, till next time, you guys take care. And again, if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. Thank you. Bye.